Ever dreamt of making it rain cash with robots? Strap in, your AI adventure starts now. Welcome to How to Get Rich with AI, a humorous guide. Imagine waking up with money rolling in, all thanks to AI. No, this isn't a sci-fi movie. It's your potential future. From bots to billions, this guide is your ticket to turning artificial intelligence into real dollars. Think it's tough? Just ask Jessica, who turned her AI side hustle into a multi-million-dollar brand, or Mark, who doubled his income with a few smart AI tools. This isn't just another boring business book. It's packed with humor, real-world strategies, and success stories that'll make you laugh and learn. Thousands have already cracked the AI wealth code, so why not join them? Knowledge is power, and AI Billionaire is your roadmap to success. Ready to start your journey from zero to billions? Grab your copy today and make your future self proud. Don't wait, your AI fortune awaits.